Welcome to Slow-Mo Lab, and today we're going to do a pretty cool experiment, a rocket engine experiment. What we're going to need for this experiment is a 5-gallon can, a lighter, and isopropyl alcohol. It's a first aid alcohol that you can get at the pharmacy store. Of course, anytime you play with the fire, you need some protection. Safety is first, so we're going to put on some gloves and make sure to put on your safety glasses. And kids, do not try this at home. What we're going to do is we're going to open this alcohol and put some of it in the can. Just enough. You don't need a whole lot, just enough to spray the surface and all that. So we're gonna basically rinse it like this. Maybe I'll put just a little bit more, just a touch more. Do circle motions like this, and to make sure it covers all the surface. And then we're just gonna set it on fire. Woo! For a more violent reaction, it's nice to shake it up before you open it and before you put that in.